All right, today we're gonna make these delicious almond shortbread cookies with just 6 ingredients. Very easy to make, very kidney friendly, and they will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth. Hi, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. Today we are going to make a kidney friendly cookie that is delicious and easy on your diet. These almond shortbread cookies are easy to make, kidney friendly, and sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Stay with me to the end to learn how to make this delicious mixture of ingredients into some really yummy cookies. I'm excited to share this tasty recipe with you. I want to talk through the ingredients. We have flour, regular all-purpose flour, butter, sugar, almond flour to make them almondy, almond extract, and an egg. And that's what we're going to put together, these 6 ingredients, and we're going to make us some almond shortbread cookies today. So the next step in the almond shortbread cookies is to get the oven preheated, and then we're going to mix the ingredients. So we're going to turn on the oven to 400 degrees and let it get heating. First thing we're going to do is mix together the 2 flours. So we're going to put the all-purpose flour and the almond flour together and just kind of blend them up so that they're evenly mixed. All right, next we're going to add the butter and the sugar and the almond extract and the egg, and then whip it together to make it nice and smooth. You certainly can use a hand mixer if you like. I'm going to be using my whisk and my spatula to put it together today. And try to get it so it's nice and smooth and creamy. All right, so now we're going to add the almond flour and flour mixture a little bit at a time. We use the almond flour so that it has less potassium and phosphorus than using all-purpose flour. And then we also have a nice almond flavor from that. To put the mixture onto a cookie sheet and then press them down. So I'm just taking small amounts of the shortbread mixture. I've lined the cookie sheet with parchment paper, keep them from sticking. Just have to try to make them about the same size. Like this one's a little too big. And this one here is a little too small. Your goal is to make about 30 cookies. 2 cookies is a serving. All right, that's our first cookie sheet. So sometimes I take a jar and I use that to flatten. So I'll just put a little bit on the bottom of the pan. I'm using just some cooking spray. Don't try to do it for 2 at once. Just gives them that nice shortbread look. All right, we're gonna put the almond shortbread cookies in the oven now. It's preheated to 400 and it's about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, now time for the big reveal. We're going to grab these cookies out of the oven. They're kind of odd shapes, but that's how they always end up, right? These cookies cool for a couple minutes and then we'll give them a taste. Look at these delicious cookies. So 2 is a serving and they're lightly crisp on the back and then just so buttery, delicious, and soft. They taste just like shortbread, kind of crisp and delicious. Perfect for your next kidney-friendly dessert. So good.